All right. So because of what you just saw, that's the birth of modern day based meal replacements. And by the way, they are more successful than any known treatment, drug or otherwise. And there's the studies compared. I just put them in here for you. You guys have all seen this. I have to say, Hempfield, this one here kicked everything off for everybody. Just ridiculous, the difference between just using a diet versus a diet including meal replacements. And look at the difference in weight loss. More importantly, was the maintenance. And then here's a collection of a bunch of those studies throughout the years. And you can see that the longer the duration, the greater the weight loss using meal replacements. And I would say it's a lifelong tool for everybody, because all it is food. It's just another way of getting food and adding more meals in between and keeping your calories down. And more importantly, it accurately counts your calories. That's the beauty of it. Okay, and then here's meal replacements compared to drugs. And this is pretty amazing. The line there, the black line, of course, you can see how much greater. It's like 1.5 times drugs alone. And the maintenance still, after 18 months, is still better all the way around. But don't forget, they went off the meal replacements at that particular point. So you would stay on them forever. That would be the goal for everybody. And that way you get to eat good food at the same time. So, okay, and then here's one here. This was kind of a nice little tool someone put together here. You look at the pharmacological, the prescription drugs, pretty much look at the side effects on the right, significant, serious, with some drugs receiving FDA approval, then being subsequently withdrawn from the market. And that's only allowing a 5% total weight loss, right? Drop down to meal replacements, 7 to 8%, with really no kind of side effects. But look at bariatric surgery, which is recommended for people that are morbidly obese, because if they don't get that weight off now, their chance of dying is much greater. But it's very high risk to this one, including death. Okay, so there you have